Welcome to Knowledge Center. In this session, I am going to explain you regarding the economizer which is used in the steam power plant. So before starting into this, let us have a look over the layout of steam power plant. Here, by looking into this, we can understand where actually the economizer is placed. See, we need to feed the water from the natural source, as we can see here from the river. We have to feed the water to the boiler. But instead of directly feeding that water to the boiler, we use economizer in between. So economizer is placed in between the water source and the boiler. So now let's see what is the purpose of using this economizer. See, what happens here is the economizer is going to have two parameters here. Means the flue gas will be made to flow through the economizer. The flue gas will consist of a temperature, heat, hot flue gas will be flowing through the economizer. And now if I allow this water to flow through the economizer, this water will get heated up whenever the flue gas passes through it. So that hot water will be given to the boiler. This is the concept. So when the now we need to understand what is the use of this. See, instead of giving the normal water to the boiler, if I give some hot water to the boiler, the fuel used will be reduced, right? So that is, in other words, we can say the efficiency is increased. So that's what we are going to do it here. The feed water is fed to the economizer before supplying to the boiler. That's the first point. And economizer will extract the heat from the flue gases to increase the temperature of the water. And that's how it will help to reduce the usage of a fuel in a boiler. See, if fuel is reduced, then it's nothing but that is an input to a system. Fuel is the input to a system. So efficiency will get increased if input is reduced. So that is how it's going to increase the efficiency of a system. Now let's have a look over the construction details about the economizer. What actually it consists of. So there will be an inlet pipe in the economizer through which the water will be coming in, and there will be outlet flow. So in the outlet, what happens, the water will go to the boiler from this point. So we will have one wall, that is this water inlet wall. So from the natural river we get the water here through the water inlet wall into the inlet, and then there will be outlet wall which is given from the outlet pipe. This from here we get the water to the boiler, and also there will be a safety wall. If we get more water, then we can block the water inflow over there. So safety wall is going to protect the outlet pipe, and these two inlet and outlet are connected through tubes. Okay, so these are the tubes connected in between the inlet and outlet. And also there will be a scrapers used in the tubes. So these scrapers are going to be used to reduce the scale on the tube. Okay, so this is a soot chamber. Whenever the scraper, generally the scrapers will be moving upward and downward on the tube. So the scale quantity will come and it will be placed in the soot chamber. Okay, first let me show you how this scraper will move upward and downward. See, these scrapers will be moved through a pulleys. So as I shown here, there will be red color threads. So these are the threads or a belt or a chain belt which is connected to a pulley and a scraper. So those do, with the help of this pulley and the belt, the scrapers will be moving up and down. Okay, and this is a flue gas coming in this direction which is going to cross the tubes, and these are the pulleys or a gear. So now let's see what happens when the flue gas passes through the tubes. See, these are the flue gases, and these flue gases will made to pass through these tubes, and the water which is having in this tube will get heated up because of the flue gas. The flue gas will contain the temperature. Because of that, the water will get heated up, and that water will be made to flow through the outlet pipe, and that outlet pipe will give the water to the boiler. That is a process. So see, when the flue gas flow like that, the water in tube and outlet is get heated up, and that hot water will be fed to the boiler. So this is how we are going to make use of the economizer, right? So when the flue gases are passing through the hot tubes or the tubes, there will be some unwanted materials will be placed on the tubes. Because of the flow of a gas on the tube, there will be a scale materials. Those scale materials has to be removed. So that is the reason why scrappers are used here. So these scrappers will move up and down, and it will remove the scale quantity which has been placed on the tube, and that will be dumped in a soot chamber as shown here in the soot chamber. So this is the process of the economizer. Okay, I hope this is clear for you, and you press the like button if it is clear for you. Thank you.